Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Vitron TV and unlocking your phone. Make sure both use the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. On the TV, enable screencast or mirrorcast in the input or network menu. This makes the TV discoverable. On your phone, open Settings, then Display or Connections, and tap Cast. You'll see available devices. Once you spot the Vitron name, tap it to begin pairing. This initial alignment prevents most discovery issues later. Once your phone lists the Vitron TV, you select it and wait for the TV to confirm the connection. Accept any on-screen pairing requests to secure the link. Next, decide whether to mirror your whole screen or cast from a specific app. App casting often gives smoother video and keeps notifications private. Make sure phone orientation and volume are set because those control the stream. If the app offers quality settings, lower them to reduce lag on weak Wi-Fi. That optimizes playback. To finish, open your phone's cast menu and tap Stop Casting. You can also disconnect via the TV input menu. If you encounter lag, audio drops, or no connection, reboot the router, then the phone and the Vitron TV. This clears caches and resets network handshakes. Make sure no heavy downloads are running on the network while casting. If problems persist, try an HDMI cable as a reliable fallback, or test with a different phone to determine whether the issue is the original device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.